just for you and just for you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is just after 8 o'clock in the morning. I am headed up to Muskoka, where Carl lives, and I'm going to be teaching his brother-in-law, Kent, how to French kissy. Disturbing, I know. Scary. Anyway, yeah, we're headed up there.
And that thing when you came in the driveway was a release for any kind of damages.
He just went inside. So I'm stuck here with Kona, right? Yes, because it tastes good. Yes, you do. Oh yeah, going with my face because it tastes good. Yes, you do. Fantastic. So what did you like learning today?
I like learning everything today. That's a good day. Oh, yeah.
And then I was showing him French kissy. We are all done at Carl's. It wasn't good. It wasn't a good thing. Oh my gosh.